Hello. Today we will be starting with factors and multiples. This is chapter 3 in your textbook. I have divided this chapter into 5 parts. Today we will be discussing the following points. What are factors? What are multiples? What are prime numbers? What are composite numbers? And we will also learn how to find the factors and multiples. So what are factors? A factor of a number is said to divide the number without leaving a remainder. For example, if we take the number 12, 12 can be divided by the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 without giving us a remainder. Therefore, we can say that numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are all factors of 12. It is important to remember that 1 is a factor of every number, and a factor is always smaller than or equal to the number itself. What are multiples? A multiple of a number is exactly divisible by the number. For example, 3 multiplied by 4 gives us 12. If we divide 12 by 3, we get 4. If we divide 12 by 4, we get 3. 2 into 6 is also equal to 12. If we divide 12 by 2, we get 6. And if we divide 12 by 6, we get 2. Therefore, we can say that 12 is a multiple of 2, 3, 4 and 6. A multiple is always greater than or equal to the number itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. Finding factors and multiples. How do we check if one number is a factor or a multiple of another number? We simply divide the larger number by the smaller number. If on dividing we do not get a remainder, the smaller number will be a factor of the greater number, and the greater number will be a multiple of the smaller number. Look at the example provided. When we divide 45 by 9, we get 5 and no remainder. Hence, 9 is said to be a factor of 45, while 45 will be a multiple of 9. Similarly, if 56 is divided by 7, we get 8. Therefore, 56 will be a multiple of 7, while 7 will be a factor of 56. How to find the factors of a number? To find all the factors of a number, start dividing the number by 1 and then 2, 3, 4 and so on, until you get a quotient that you have already used as a divisor. Look at the example provided. 24 divided by 1 gives us 24. On dividing it by 2 we get 12. Dividing it by 3 we get 8. 24 divided by 4 gives us 6. And 24 divided by 6 gives us 4. Hence we can say that the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. The smallest factor being 1 and the greatest being the number itself, 24. To find the multiples of a number, all we do is keep multiplying the number by other numbers. Look at the example provided. To find the multiples of 15, we multiply 15 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to get the multiples of 15. The multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75 and 90. Multiples are said to be infinite. The smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. Prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are numbers that have only two factors. The only factors are 1 and the number itself. Take a look at the examples provided. The number 2 has only two factors, 1 and 2. Number 3 has factors 1 and 3. Similarly, numbers 5 and 7 have only 1 and the number itself as their factors. Therefore, we can say 2, 3, 5 and 7 are prime numbers. It is to be noted that 1 is a unique number as it has only one factor. The smallest prime number is 2. Composite numbers. Composite numbers are numbers that have more than two factors. The smallest factor will be 1 and the greatest factor will be the number itself. Take a look at the examples provided. The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15, as 1 into 15 gives us 15 and 3 5s give us 15. Similarly, the factors for 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20, as 1 into 20 gives us 20, 2 10s equals 20 and 4 5s equals 20. The smallest composite number is 4. The table provided shows us the prime and composite numbers between 1 and 100. Remember that 1 is a unique number. The prime numbers have been highlighted in yellow. All the other numbers are composite numbers. It is to be noted that all even numbers are composite except 2. Refer to page 30 in your textbook and then try working out the exercises provided to reinforce what we have learnt today.